Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to poke someone on Facebook app. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. It is a quick and easy way to get someone's attention and can be a lot of fun. First of all, open Facebook. Then what you want to do next is tap on this magnifying glass icon at the top and search for pokes. Then, as you can see, there is an option named pokes. Now go ahead and tap on this first search result, and this is where you can poke your friends. You can also see who poked you, and you can poke them back. So if you want to poke someone, tap on the search bar, type in their name. Then simply tap on this blue poke button to poke them, and it will say poked after you have done that. So that's how you poke someone on the Facebook app. It's super easy. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.